To descale and clean a Keurig K Slim coffee machine with citric acid, fill the water reservoir to the max fill line with water and add 3 tablespoons of citric acid. Stir until it's mixed and then put the water reservoir on the brewer. Make sure there's not a K-cup in the brewer. Put a large over 12-ounce cup or mug on the drip tray. Select the 12-ounce setting and press brew. Empty and replace the mug and repeat. Pour out and replace the mug. Let the brewer set for 30 minutes or longer, then continue to brew until the add water light comes on. To rinse the brewer, pour out the water reservoir, clean it and rinse it thoroughly, then fill it with water only to the max fill line. Put a mug on the drip tray and continue to brew with the 12-ounce setting until the add water light comes on. Then the unit is ready to use.